In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add maps view to your Trello boards. Using a map view in Trello is a great way to visualize location-based tasks, whether you're planning events, managing a field team, or organizing travel. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch from the standard board layout to a map-based view of your cards. First, start by opening your Trello board in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your Trello account, then navigate to the specific board where you want to use the map view. This could be any board you already use, such as one for projects, events, or personal planning. Give the page a moment to fully load, so all of the options are visible at the top. Once your board is open, look near the top of the screen, next to your board's name. You'll see an option that lets you change how your board is displayed. This is often represented by a small icon or text indicating different views, such as board, timeline, calendar, and so on. This is the views icon, and it controls how you see your cards and lists. Click on this views icon. When you do, a menu will open that shows all the available views for your board. Depending on your Trello plan, you might see several different options here. Take a second to look through the list so you get familiar with what's available. We're specifically interested in the map view. In that same menu, find and click on the option labeled Map. Once you select it, Trello will switch from the regular board layout to a map layout. The map will appear on your screen, usually with pins or markers representing cards that have location data added to them. If you don't see many pins yet, that just means your cards may not have locations assigned. You can open any card and look for the location or address field to start adding that information. As you add locations, those cards will automatically appear on the map, giving you a visual overview of where everything is happening. That's all there is to it. You've now added Maps view to your Trello board and switched your board into a powerful location-focused perspective. This simple change can make it much easier to plan routes, coordinate teams, or just understand your projects in a more visual way.